Before and after reading Curriculum 21, I believe that technology in the classroom is very important. Technology is everywhere, and technology is so accessible also. Children start using technology at a very young age. Children of the current generation do not know what it's like to not have technology and so much information at their fingertips. They have phones, games, Kindles, tablets, and computers. If they don't know it, they Google it. They are assigned a research paper in school, and they do the research on a computer, and not to mention social media. The majority of our students have phones. The phones are smartphones and serve as a handheld computer and connecting them to the world. These phones also have internet access, and therefore students have unlimited access to just about anything they want. With that said, we as schools and teachers need to extend on the use of technology. It's our job as educators to be one step ahead of our students. I've seen and heard teachers, so many of them, that ask the students for help when it comes to technology in the classroom. Because of the lack of knowledge and technology of teachers, some just refuse to use it in their classroom. This only does the students an injustice. In today's society, technology does so much for us. It's everywhere and in every job or career. And when our students graduate and either pursue a career or move on to college or a trade school, they are surrounded by technology. I have found that students are not intimidated by technology and learn very quickly. In the Curriculum 21 book, it stated that education as far as subjects have not changed much in the last century. We need the subjects and the information to educate our students, but something has to change. So much has changed since the 1800s, and why not change the way we educate our students? Technology has made so many jobs easier and more accurate and more proficient, so why not do that with education? For example, I remember how teachers graded everything by hand. Now we have Scantrons, and they are graded by computers. Grades are almost instant, and now students are taking state-mandated tests on computers. The only drawback is that I see at my school is funding. I teach at a small 1A school, and the money is just not as proficient as it is in most places. I believe this is a barrier for implementing technology at a lot of small schools, and I believe all the state schools should get some type of funding just for technology. This would help all students have an equal opportunity to be exposed to technology before graduation. Technology is here to stay, and not only getting more advanced, I believe schools and educators should embrace it. And I did agree with the text when it stated that education in the U.S. must prepare our students for a world where the opportunities for success require the ability to compete on a global scale.